everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm gonna share with you the new haul from Inlovearts that I got, okay? And I have samples with them. So the first thing that I wanna show you are these two dies. Well, there are 4 dies in a set. And they are like Christmas ornaments. Look, the size is pretty big and it has a sentiment. This one says season greetings and this one's Merry Christmas. And you can just cut the ornament and decorate the way you want. And this is the shadow and this one is for the top. This is a decoration that you can do in any color. So I have the samples right here. And this is how they look. See, the back is the shadow and this one right here is how the details of the ornament looks. Okay, this one says Merry Christmas and it has snowflakes. I just put the rhinestone here and then I put this thread, the gold thread on the top, and this one can be a tag for any gift and you can put in the back to and from, see, or you can print in the computer anything and just use this one to cut and glue in the back, something personalized maybe. So you can use cardstock and then cut with this one and glue it on the back. I use this metallic paper from Hobby Lobby. And you can find some similar at Dollar Tree too, okay? So this is how it looks, the Merry Christmas, and this one is the other one that says season greetings. And as you can see, it has snowflakes on top, and I just put a little rhinestone and then a bigger one up here, and it looks the same. See, and they have also in blue, so this is how it looks. So I also made cards. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This one is one of my cards. As you can see right here, this is the ornament and I put white cardstock in the back for the shadow, and this one is just with the gold on top. Then right here, and for this one I use another die from Inlovearts and it's this one. See, it's a beautiful background. So I just cut a piece with that and put it in the back so it looks like delicate, not empty. And for the top I just use this one. This is from Inlovearts as well. And for this one I cut 2 of these, okay, 1 for each side, and 4 of these. So it looks like the branches, and I put 2 in each side. See, and it looks like the ornament is hanging from the branch, and as you can see, this is one of the branches, then this one is the vine and another branch at the back, and it looks dimensional and beautiful. So this is an idea on how to use your dies. Okay, this is my card, and I have another one in color. And it's this one right here. As you can see, another ornament hanging from a branch, and I use the same die. Okay, so I just put 1 vine and then 4 just on the side, so it looks like the branch of the Christmas tree and the ornament that is hanging. See, so these are my samples for that die. And it's so beautiful. I love them. And very easy. Okay, so I hope you get ideas. And now I'm gonna show you another one. Another die that I got is this one that says Mom, and I love the size of this one. And here is my card. This is the sample that I made using the die. And as you can see, I just do it in gold. I just cut it in gold, and I just put a rhinestone right here on the O, and this one right here. Okay, 2 right here on the flowers, because those were the bigger circles. And because this is the sentiment or the word that has to pop up more, I didn't use like dimensional flowers, but stickers. And these stickers are from Inlovearts as well. And as you can see in my card, I just put floral paper at the back. Then I cut a stripe of cardstock. Then I glue the word mom. And I just put the stickers, okay? And like I pop up one of them, okay, or one or two, see, and this is how it looks. And here are the stickers. They look like this, and it comes like 45 of these flowers. This is a lot. I use it a lot and still have some. So this is my idea for the card, and this is a lovely card for a mom. Now I'm going to show you another one. Another item that I got is this box of stickers. It says stickers, but they are not stickers, okay? They are like acetate, and they are printed in white, okay? There are 50, I think 50 in total, and they are beautiful designs and tiny, very small. Look, see, they have a lot. And even snowflakes. I chose the ones that were circles, and it's a combination of doilies and snowflakes. See, and you can just use it to embellish anything. Okay, they are very small, but you can put like a sentiment and like Merry Christmas and on top of this, and it will look fantastic in a tag or card. So there is a lot, and they also have, these are the round ones, they also have in a square, and they are also having different designs. The links of all of these items are going to be in the description box. When you visit Inlovearts, you can see all the designs, okay? So this is a very beautiful item, and look, this is my sample. It looks so delicate. See, I just put this one, I don't know if you can see, in the back, and I made this flower using one of the dies from Inlovearts, and as you can see, it looks so delicate. And right here I just wrap this thread. This is a gold metallic thread. This is a metallic thread, and right here I just put this one that it looks a little card, and you can write a sentiment. You can put even a picture or something right here inside, and you can put right here in the tag. So this is a very lovely tag, and it looks very delicate. Okay, the next item that I got is this one. This is for making a pocket for a gift card, and this one says love right here. See, and it's pretty big, exactly for a gift card, or you can maybe put a note or something. I want to show you my sample, and my sample is this one right here. I just cut the paper with this die, and then I decorated a belly band, okay, to put it on top. And as you can see right here, I use one of the dies from Inlovearts. It's this one. It's one of my favorite right here. As you can see, this one comes, I think, 4 in this set, and it's very beautiful. And then I made this flower, and I glue it on top. In the back, just for decorate a little bit, I use another die from Inlovearts, which is this one right here. It comes 2 in a set, as you can see, this one and this one, and I just decorated on the top. Okay, so it looks like this. And when you take the belly band, then you can open this one right here, and you can put your letter or card or another tag or something on top and send it to your friends, okay, or add it into a gift. See, you can decorate one of these and then put inside a gift, and it will be very nice to keep. And here is another die that I got, and it's this one, and it comes with this little tag right here, and this is an envelope and a tag. See, It's small, but it's so super cute. And I'm gonna show you my sample. Okay, it's this one right here. See, this is the size of the envelope, and it looks so super cute. You can add double-sided tape and glue it on a page. Look, you can embellish with anything on top. I just put a ribbon and this piece of eyelash trim that I had in my stash, and the tag looks like this, and you even can put a flower or something on top, but I wanted to decorate on the bottom right here. And right here I just cut this one with my punch from Martha Stewart, and I just got 2 butterflies, and I just give dimension and added a flower on top, and this is adorable. So this is my sample with the die. And the next die is this one right here, which is pretty big, and this is a gift bag die, and I'm gonna show you my samples. Okay, I made 2, and it's this one, and as you can see the size, see, it can fit like candy, it can fit any embellishment that you want to send. This one has holes right here so you can tie it, but I decorated up here, so I'm planning to put some candy in a gift card and then put tissue on top, so it will look like a gift bag. See, and right here, as you can see, I just used this ribbon, and I made this flower. Then right here for this one, I used one of the dies from Inlovearts that I received before, and it's this one right here. See, I love this set, and this one is pretty good for to embellish and write like something on top. See, and then these are punches from Martha Stewart that I use, and I just added on top. And now I made another one for Christmas, and this is the sample. For this part, I use another die from Inlovearts, and it's this one right here, the doily die, and this is so beautiful. Look, I just cut one doily in gold, and then I just put it on top and then cut it, and then glue only right here, and I made a small pocket right here for this gift bag. Okay, so you can write your sentiments at the back and put it in here. And in the back, I just tie it with a metallic cord, and as you can see, so beautiful. So these are my 2 samples for this die. And the last dies that I got is this set of flowers and leaves, and as you can see, it has the shadow of these dies. Okay, these are just 2 flowers and the leaves, but it has this one that you can put on another color at the bottom, okay, and make a different design. And this one is another one that has some sentiments, and I'm gonna show you what I made with these 2. Okay, and here are the cards that I made using those flowers and the sentiment. And as you can see right here, this is one of the sentiments that says for someone special. It's so delicate, and it cuts very good, and I love how it looks. Very nice. And I just cut a piece of cardstock in the back, and I added gold, so it looks very nice, and it's so simple. Okay, so right here in this card, as you can see, I use this beautiful flower, and it's this one right here. Look, it has an embossing, and this is how it looks. See, and I just cut 3 of these to make this flower, and then I just curl the edge of the petals, and it has dimension. See, so this is how they look, and it's lovely how the embossing looks on the petals. And then I made this one. My center is pretty dimensional, and it's so elegant in this flower, and I just use seed beads and hot glue to make this one. Then as you can see right here is the leaf, and I use both. This is the shadow, and this is the leaf, and they are right here. Okay, is these two, so you can cut one piece like this, and I just glue under the flower. See, and it looks so fantastic. And here I love this die. I use it so many times. I love this one because of the swirls and the branches. So for this card I just use the swirls. Okay, as you can see, I just use 2 vines, okay, like this. And then in the back, as you can see right here, is the doily, the big doily that I show you, but this one is in white and it's under everything. And then because this is everything white, you have to give accents, so I use an embossing folder from my stash, and I just use it on the cardstock, so everything has some details. See, so you put an embossing background, then you put a ribbon, then you can add a doily, you can add vines and a flower on top, and your sentiment. And I love how it looks. So elegant. Now I'm gonna show you the next one. This is my other card. And for this card, I use this flower right here from this set of flowers. And this die is very intricate, but it's very nice and gorgeous. So you can make these kind of flowers. And as you can see, it has the sentiment right here, which is the second one right here. And it says, your kindness is appreciated. And I just cut a piece of cardstock and make a banner, and then another one in gold. Then as you can see, it has a background, and then I use this die again to cut 3 vines, 2 in white that I put underneath, and then the gold one on top. So this one looks pretty good. And then I use ribbon to accent this the flower. So no leaves, just the vines and ribbon. So these are all of my samples, and I hope you like this idea. And I also have a coupon code, and it will be in the description box. Don't forget to use them, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.